going to be reviewing the Vax Performance Vacuum Cleaner. So this is a vacuum cleaner that we bought from Big W. It costs $139 on special price. We got it on a discount. We ordered it online due to coronavirus. We had to pick it up. So basically this is a pretty powerful vacuum. It's ideal for people that have pets because they can easily suck up pet hair. So if people have pets, this is a pretty good vacuum for you. Go to the specs. We have a 2400 watt powerful motor which allows for quick suction. We have 400 air watts which allow for even quicker suction. We have cyclonic action, allowing for the rubbish to go up in a cyclonic action. We have a turbo brush which allows for quicker suction. We have a antibacterial HEPA filter which basically antibacterializes the things you suck up. It has a large capacity of 4 liters, which is pretty good. It has an 8-meter cord, so you can pretty much plug it in one cord, and then if you have a large living room, then you can vacuum the whole carpet there. So that's pretty much all the specs. I'll go into the attachments that they provide with this vacuum. So you get a crevice tool, and you get an upholstery tool. You get a turbo brush, you get combination floor tool, you get a dusting brush, you get a extension wand which allows for longer wand, and you get a hard floor tool. So basically this vacuum is equipped for every single type of service. It comes with a 2-year warranty, so if you find anything wrong with the machine, faulty, or you're just not happy with it, you can return it. So I think that's pretty much it. Let's unbox it. So here we have it. So the first thing that you get is the instruction guide and the warranty card, as you can see here. So I think this might be some basic instructions on how to use the vacuum at its peak or best performance. Here we have the several attachments which make this vacuum pretty good. So you have all these extensions which can be used for different surfaces and different purposes, which is not a common sight in most vacuums. So here we have the suction hose, and then we have various suction heads which are used on different surfaces. I presume this is the basic one or for different one. This is probably for heavy floors, and this might be another basic one, I'm not sure. So here we have the vacuum machine itself. I think this is the main machine. Well, I don't think, because it is the main machine. So as you can see, it has the 4-liter storage, and it has a nice chrome look to it. And then we have one more thing in here. Something in Chinese. So here we have the actual machine in its not full form, just the actual machine. So as you can see, we have the cable button which automatically pulls the cable back in after you're done using it. We also have the power on button, so when you plug it in, you can obviously turn it on. And then we have the actual container here which the rubbish goes into from the hose, the suction hose. You have a different power, you have a power thing, so you can adjust the power from minimum to the highest one. And then if you open this, you can see that there is the filter, which the dust will probably get antibacterialized. And we have the other where the rubbish comes in from, the hose exit area. Yep. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We will attach the hose, and let's show the bottom. Add the frontal tire here, a nice 3 wheel. So, we have the main 2 wheels back at the back. You can see the filter here, and that's pretty much it. So we will now be attaching the hose and the various attachments to show you how it looks. So as normal, you will need the hose so that it can suck up, go into the hose and into the machine. Alright, now we will attach the suction hose. It's as simple as that. As you can see, it is a 8-meter long pipe, so it goes from here all the way to here. It's a pretty long pipe, and you can add an extension to it, which makes it even longer, so you can imagine how effective this is along long carpets. So here we have the extension pipe, which can be attached to the hose and allow for the connection of the other attachments and heads we have over there. So it may look small, but you can also do this. So this is a maximum height, pretty long, makes it much more easier to use as well with the long pipe. So yeah, you won't have to move the machine that much, since you could reach probably your whole carpet in one sweep. So now I attach the hose to the extension pipe. It's as easy as that. So what am I doing? That's the extension pipe onto the already long pipe. So here we have the dusting brush, which I presume can be used for your car to dust it up, and tighter areas around your house which you can't reach with the normal heads. So here's what it looks like on the vacuum. That's pretty much it. The second attachment we have here is the hard floor tool. It's pretty much used for hard floors such as tiles, wood, and other hard floors. As you can see, it has these thick brushes which allow you to sweep tiles and floors to make it easier to suck up all the bacteria and other dust and stuff that you have on the floor. So it also attaches like that. So here we have the upholstery tool. This can be used on upholstery. Yeah, it's a special purpose head. That's pretty much it. Here we have the extension caddy, which can be used to put on other tools, allowing for quick switch between existing tools you have on the pipe. This is what it looks like. So as an example, I'll attach the brushing tool and the crevice tool with the hard floor head. So let's say you've just finished doing your tiles, you want to do some crevices that you couldn't do with this tool. You just simply take it off, put it away, take off the crevice tool, put it on, and get the job done. Simple as that. I'll keep this on. The next one we have here So the next one we have here is So the next one that we have here is a combination floor head. I presume this can be used on multiple surfaces such as carpet, heavy floors, and basically any type of rug and other mats basically. So let's just plug this on. It has the feature to add the brushes and have no brushes. That's pretty much it for this head. Here we have the normal head for the vacuum. This is going to be used for basic stuff such as carpets, rugs and mats. So let's use it. We'll test how much each appliance fills up the bar. Well, the capacity tank. Now this is on full speed. Let's see how loud it gets. That sounded like a hypersonic jet engine. Okay, so let's see how much it filled up. Here we have the turbo brush, which can be used for a more deep clean and for specifically upholstery and stairs. We will be testing this on our carpet in the same carpet but on a different area to maximize testing capabilities. Here instead. On a jet engine, let's see how much it filled up.
This one is better.
As you can see, this one has filled up much better than the one previously. So the turbo brush wins with a majority slide. As you can see, the turbo brush sucked up much more dust from the carpet. This is after fully cleaning it than we had anticipated. The normal head brush has no competition against the turbo brush. So we used the Hoover Thunder previously today in the evening, and we did it on this carpet here. It's a pretty large carpet, and we use the Vax Performance with the turbo brush just now. It is much better than the Hoover Thunder. As you can see, it picked up dust even after we used the Hoover Thunder, which we have been using for a few years now. I want to see which one is better, the newer model or the more expensive older model. So stay tuned for that. See you. Bye.